point is, it's harder for women because we are judged. We are told that we are unworthy. I mean, all people feel that way. Guilt, it's like we have these, I swear to God, it's like we have these things born, like, not born, yeah, born in us, but in our blood, like guilt, fear, worthlessness, all of these things. And because you not just because you hear your mom say that you're not good enough, or you're not because you hear your mom say that you need to get a man, or not because you hear your mom say that you're worthless, or basically same thing, but that like your worth depends on a man, or your worth depends on how well you do in school, or none of those things. Your worth depends, in the world, your worth depends on one thing, and that's that you were born and God put you here. That's it. Everybody is the same in value. We're infinite in value. But here's the thing. When it comes to the marketplace, though, your worth depends on how much you give. So this is my third episode this morning. I'm doing it from a parking garage. I'm plugged in now. I got my computer. I gotta charge my computer. But it's like, it's harder for a woman because it's like we're told, like, we have to feel bad for people. We have to feel pity. We have to feel pity for ourselves. We have to feel, if somebody wants to talk to us, we should just, and when you go to church too, when we go to church, they tell you, oh, you gotta give to, people say, not all, Joel Osteen will tell you this is not true, because I heard him say it. Thank you, Jesus. Finally somebody said it. Your time, not everybody is worthy of your time. Okay, not everybody should get your time, because if you did, here's what I found out. When I became homeless, I thought I was supposed to give my time to everybody, because I thought if I didn't give them my time and attention, that would draw them away from Jesus. But guess what? It didn't. It drew me away from Jesus because I wasn't creating and doing what I'm supposed to do. I wasn't on my job. That's why I've been homeless for so long, because for a long time I felt guilty, but I finally gave that shit up. Sorry, God, I gave it up, because it's hindering me. It is hindering me, because whatever you hold on to hinders you, and guilt was hindering me. I felt bad about myself in a certain sense, that I wasn't having money, but that's why I didn't have money. You see how the things that you feel bad about, or the things that you fear, it causes those things, right? And so it's like women have this thing, like it's inbred in us, like it's in our blood, where we have to feel sorry for people. We have to give everybody our time and attention. Somebody smiles at us, or somebody cries or something, or asks us for help, and we're supposed to automatically. I'll give you an example. Tell me I'm a bad person. The other day, some guy and this is a thing that this is one trick guys do to try to get attention from women. So this guy came to me and he was bleeding. Okay, yes, he was bleeding, but I don't know what really happened. He told me somebody bit his nose. I was on my computer. I was working. Nothing is stopping me from working right now. So many people, hi, Liberty, hi. And a lot of times it's men. And I just say, hi, I'm working. And they're like, huh? What's work? They don't say this, but what's work? What does that mean? Hi, Liberty. Whatever it is, I don't care. You're nice to me. You smile. That's fine. I say hi, but I got work to do. So this guy comes to me and he's bleeding. Now, this is the old me would have felt sorry. Oh, let me help you. No, I said, look, get your blood away from me, okay? Go over there. I said, you need me to call 911? I called 911. The police asked me about it. The lady got on the phone, tried to make me feel bad, because I said I got work to do. I got to get off this phone. She don't understand that I sleep outside, and that I got to charge at a freaking parking garage, where right now it's okay. There's no guys getting high here. It's all men sitting on here playing video games and getting high and smoking cigarettes, drinking and stuff, and talking to each other, okay? I don't need that, okay? So this guy, I don't feel bad either about the guy bleeding, because I think he fell on his face. He was drunk and he fell on his face. I've seen it many times. My dad used to do it all the time. I've seen many people do that. I never done it myself. I fell probably, but not on my nose. I don't know why people fall directly on their nose. That's crazy. It's so weird. I don't know. But anyway, I don't feel guilty about it. I don't feel guilty. I don't feel guilty because God shows me things. One thing I know is people. And God shows me, and he tells me, hey, guilt is from the devil. Fear is from the devil. Fear is the opposite of love. And I've had a lot of fear lately, so I've been eating a lot of food. And guess what? Fear caused fat. I got fat. Yes, I did. I gained some weight in my stomach, mainly. But you know what? I'm going to lose it, because I'm getting better now. I don't have to feel guilty. I don't apologize. Like I said, I sacrifice excuses on the altar of success. I sacrifice excuses on the altar of success. I feel somebody coming by. They want to get my stuff. But you know what? I have no excuses. I'm doing this. I also sacrifice guilt. I sacrifice fear. I sacrifice pity. I don't have pity for myself or anybody else. I ain't got no time for tears because I'm going to do this. It may be harder as a woman because women want to keep feeling those feelings. We think that we have to feel guilty. We have to feel fear. We have to feel pity for people. Not me. I don't feel sorry for nobody because guess what? Todos en el mundo son mismo. Pero una diferencia. We're all the same in this world except one thing. Opciones, choices. We all make our choices and we get to choose our feelings. And I choose to feel that I am the greatest woman to ever walk this planet. I am the best wife ever. I am a trillionaire. I own a private jet and a 1970 Boss 302 named Maverick. So, no more pity, no excuses. I'm not giving my time to everybody because I'm infinite in value, just like you. Thank you for watching, champions. Tell me what you enjoyed about this. Comment below because you are worth it. Thank you. What's your name? Tell me too. What's my name? Liberty, justice, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind, to show you that you can do anything you want to do, regardless if you're a woman or not. Just do it. Make up your mind and do it. Once you make up your mind, you can do anything you want to do. If you want to do something, you'll find the way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. I sacrifice excuses on the altar of success because my name is Liberty V Justice. No period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. Thank you, champions.